A group of around 80 students and members of the academic community from Serbia set off on April 3rd from Novi Sad on an inspiring bicycle journey to Strasbourg. This symbolic tour, approximately 1,300 kilometers long, is not only a physical challenge, but also a powerful protest against systemic problems in Serbia, including corruption, institutional irresponsibility, and repression of young people. The students plan to reach Strasbourg in 12 days, where they will address European institutions such as the Council of Europe and the European Parliament, aiming to draw attention to the serious social and political conditions in their country. The tour to Strasbourg was launched in response to a series of systemic injustices, with particular emphasis on the tragic event of November 1st, 2024, when a canopy collapsed at the Novi Sad train station, killing 16 people. This incident sparked a wave of anger and disbelief, especially among young people, who believed the tragedy was a result of long-standing corruption, poor management, and neglect of public safety. The students organised themselves to raise their voices and persistently highlight this injustice, showing that young people in Serbia are not passive observers, but active fighters for a better future. This is not just a bike ride. This is a journey through which we are sending a message that we will not stay silent. We want Europe to hear our voice and understand that young people in Serbia want justice, transparency, and accountability, was just one of the statements heard. The cyclists began their journey in Novi Sad, passing through Subotica, Budapest, Győr, Bratislava, Vienna, Linz, Salzburg, Munich, Stuttgart, and of course, many other cities. The route has been carefully planned, with the support of local communities in the cities they pass through, offering accommodation, food, and encouragement. The tour has drawn significant attention from the media and the public, and the students' progress can be followed via social media, where they share photos, videos, and inspiring messages. The tour to Strasbourg is part of a broader wave of dissatisfaction in Serbia, where young people are increasingly vocal about its systemic corruption, the lack of rule of law, and the restriction of freedoms. The tragedy in Novi Sad became a catalyst for this initiative, but the students emphasized that their struggle is not just a reaction to a single event, it is a demand for fundamental social change. By going to Strasbourg, they aim to inform the international community about the challenges Serbia faces and to show the strength and solidarity of its youth. Although the tour is a form of protest, the students stress that it is also a symbol of hope. One participant said, "We believe we can build a better Serbia, a country where young people don't have to leave, where laws are respected, and where no one loses their life because of someone's negligence." Their determination is inspiring thousands of people who follow their journey, and the tour is already becoming a powerful example of civic activism. As the students approach Strasbourg, their message grows louder. Justice, accountability, and the future of Serbia depend on courage and unity. The tour to Strasbourg is not just a journey, it is a step towards change. And that's why, Pumpai.